also like a claw, then can it be a backpack also? But yeah, it's very nice, man. A very nice and a very promising kind of new line. It's an original kit from the SNAA and also the Beyond Exquisite. Okay, so this and made in China. So yeah, let's wait for the other round tables, the round table nights, or the nights of the round tables. So we'll wait for that, and let's see what will be the next one. And as I know, there are already 4, because the other one, the pickaxe or the pickle, is already ready for pre-order. So if you want to, you can pre-order those on Shopee, and especially on the Snapfit collectibles. You can go there, Snapfit collectibles, fuel your passion. Okay, this is not a sponsor from the Snapfit, but still I will recommend their shop, because they're very nice kind of shop, an online shop on Shopee, which really gives you the cheapest and the most affordable kind of kits, third-party, bootlegs, and other model kits that we can have on the market. Okay, so yeah, this is your Aegis Knight Achilles. Just go there under Shopee, the Snapfit collectibles. You consider some of their available kits. But yeah, for now, this Aegis Knight Achilles is not available already on the Snapfit collectibles, because yeah, they're already sold out. But yeah, let's see if there is another order available kit for this one. Let's see. So just go there, find it if you can. But yeah, for this one, I bought it in another seller, because yeah, I've been the time that I want to order this one, the pre-order is already closed on Snapfit collectibles, and yeah, I can't buy it anymore on their shop. But I want to complete, because as I know, it was post on a page of is it a page of a Ganba builder, which is from China, which this will be the round table of the Knights of the Round Table. But that's it. That's our Aegis Knight Achilles unleashing for today. So this is the Round Table Knights Aegis Knight Achilles by SNAA, and also Beyond Exquisite. Okay, so yeah, you can see there, it's very nice, man. It's not glaring, but yeah, still there is a reflection. Okay, yeah. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of recent content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so that you'll be informed for our next videos and vlogs here in our YouTube channel. And yeah, same as usual, this is a third-party kit, so I don't know if I will have this as a live or a speed build. But yeah, I will